Boleh saya cikgu ni cikgu batura. Boleh ni presiden ni nonton macam tu. Kau umur masa kay pemutelip umur cikgu natural tu muat. Tapi pula Masa na kalau menunggu ini masalah cikgu nomor mata. Demikian yang kau nak sim cikgu nomor mata. Cikgu nomor Itautau sa cikgu.
Naka.
Tau cikgu ni nawaro tigi bu cikgu na soto ni bil ko supotap ni mada lomai.
Salah betul tu masa rulai nggak musuh tak lomula mana suri tu nabi bak longatai. Suri tu angka nami ulola, tahu kau itu ulola, mulai itu bine deso. Kata para itu ngontong bulu kita mata sade dari sana. Mana? The team that is here today, I think I'll speak in the mother water language to you. Three words. Continue to amaze us. You have amazed us last year, and you will do that this year. I know you have been brought up by the coach and the management here, and I know, like I said, we are confident. I'm always confident to have my favorite team here this morning, and I know you have raised the bar last year, and from this year, I was going to ask you, but I'm telling you, take it up another level. Let's build ourselves up for the next Rugby World Cup. I saw how you played last year in New Zealand, but I'm confident that you will be the first team to bring the World Cup championship in Fiji. And I know, let's hope you guys bring it while I'm still here. If that happens, I'll push for one holiday. Maybe 3 weeks holiday. But anyways, you know, what you did, what you are today is an inspiration to all the young ladies who inspired to be rugby players. And right now, people are knocking on your positions, and I hope that you will continue to amaze us in Fiji. I'm your number one fan. Your number one fan, I'm the number one supporter in the team. So I know you'll be going out there to play rugby. Like I've always said, leave everything here with us here. You know, if you have doubt or you have something that is bothering you in your personal life or whatever, leave it here, go out and play. Anything that is around, don't worry about what's happening in Fiji. You are here to go and represent Drua to go and play rugby. If you have issues with talk to your management, to the team, or if you have problems, call me. Call me and say, you're facing this problem. Leave those problems here with us. Go and play, you know. Challenges come, but, you know, you have been trained to do that. You have been trained these last few weeks. They have set yourselves to your mind and how you play the game, so go and play the game. I will wait for you when you complete the season, when you come back here. With like the last time, and I know everybody was happy and you lads, but next time come, I'll have one pen here waiting for you when you come. So go out there, go and show what the passion, go play with passion, and show them what you're made of. I know, I'm confident. I'm looking at everybody will be smiling, you all look healthy, you all look good. Go there, go and be good ambassadors of Fiji. And the last thing, respect the coach, respect the management. That's all. Listen to them. You know, if there's some personal things, you have to trust them. It's all about that. Don't hold things that will affect your career or affect your play, your rugby. Little things can, can take the journey out somewhere else. So you're on the right journey now. There's the sun is shining today, the wind is blowing now. Go and set sail. Like I said, continue to amaze us in Fiji. And I'm so happy that I'm being told that you'll be having some home games. And you'll see the number of support you'll get. And I pray that God will be on your journey and will protect you on your way, and go and enjoy rugby. Show the young, inspiring rugby players in Fiji that you enjoy rugby, and let them enjoy that too, so they follow this path. With those few words, I wish you well from behalf of the State House, the government of Fiji, everybody in Fiji, your families. I'm here, and I'm also proud to speak on their behalf, to wish you well, and God bless you.